Alright, so I got a phone call that this tub handle was broken, and luckily the tenants were able to shut off the water before, but in this video I'm going to show you how to replace it. As you can see, I'm wiggling right there and it's a little loose. So the first thing you want to do is there's a screw right in the middle there. You want to unloosen that screw. Obviously I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. You want to take that off, and right there, that's the stem. You're not going to do anything, water's not going to be shooting out as long as the water is off. You really don't want to mess with that stem, but just take the handle off and go and get a new one. I definitely recommend bringing that handle that was broken to wherever you go. I went to a plumbing store. I didn't go to a big box store like a Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that. But I went to a plumbing store, so I replaced the exact same one. And all you're really going to do is just put the screw back in, and once you do that, again, you don't want to, tighten it too much. But this is a pretty fairly, easy repair. Of course, a lot of times I spend more time looking for tools, than, actually making the repair. But yeah, all you want to do is just, screw that screw in there. And again, you don't want to tighten it too much, but you just want to tighten it so it's just, snug enough, as I'll, kind of show you here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I definitely recommend always taking the, actual part up to the store to make sure you, get the right one. So obviously here's me turning the water on. It's fixed. Again, fairly easy. Most of them aren't, but, make sure you take the actual part with you to the store. And that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.